going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it's a beautiful day today. Beautiful. I feel pretty good too. I got my step bars back on my truck. I've been waiting on them since, man, February, but we ain't getting into that. I got my step bars back and I'm happy. Now, on the hamster load. So today, what we're going to do, okay, is this underdrive pulley is going to come off. So we're going to get rid of the underdrive pulley and put a normal pulley on it. He has a red theme, so I'll have a red one I'm going to put on here. Then I got to put idler pulley bracket back on, motor mount bracket. Is there something else? I believe that's it for this side. And then we'll turn this motor around. I'll replace that bracket right there. And then the good stuff. We'll take the lower intake manifold off, get that clean, and then we'll reassemble that. And then after that, then we'll do the valve seals, clean off the valve covers, clean off the mating surfaces on the head for the headers, and then that's going to be it for today. Until tomorrow. If the flex plate bolt comes in tomorrow, then I can do the rear main seal and then get his balancer put on. And then if all that checks out, then the motor will go back in tomorrow. So that's that. So let me get to it. Okay, so we got the lower intake manifold off. I already cleaned that. Replaced the dog bowl mount bracket. I cleaned it up as best as I could. So we got that. We got the block all cleaned up. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this lower intake manifold. I don't think there's any. No, there's no what you call it, to clean off gasket. There was nothing great. There was nothing RTV'd on, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this, and then I'm gonna reinstall the lower intake manifold, and then we'll hop to the valve seals. Okay, so as you can see, the lower intake manifold is now oil free. Okay, got that all cleaned up as best as I can. We're good. Okay, so now what I have left to do is the valve seals. So I'm gonna pop these valve covers off. I'm gonna clean my work area up. It's getting kind of out of hand. And get the air compressor set up and go ahead and knock these valve seals out. Okay, so we got the valve seals done over here. Rockers and everything is torqued up. We got the right breather on here now instead of that. It's gone. Good. Anyway, we got the good breather on there. And we got the alternator bracket back on. So what is left to do today is the front. We get the front done on here. I got the AC compressor bracket back on. And then I'll put that on, and then that's gonna be a wrap today. So let me go ahead and get this side done. As you can see, we got, hold on, let me get some light on here. We got 1, 2, and just 2, but I'm still replacing them all. But we got 2 of them that popped up. So let's get to it. All right, so we got the valve seals done, everything cleaned up. Pretty successful day. So we got the motor mount on. Now we got all the bolts. We're not missing nothing. So tomorrow, I'm not really caring about it today, but tomorrow I'll switch this out when I get the flex plate bolts, put the balancer in. We'll take the motor off the engine stand, and then we'll get the rear main seal done, and then it's ready to go back in the car. So yeah, well, I'm gonna end it right here. I'll catch you guys on the next one.